We're reviewing from Daily Life. It's 100 disposable cups. They come nicely packaged, separated in 2 packages, 50 apiece. They're thickened paper. They're leak-free for up to 7 days for hot and cold drinks, for the house, office, work, party, anywhere you need to have cups. They come sealed, closed all together. Grab one end and open up. We take out the cup. They're nice and solid. They have some play if you squeeze hard, and these are the 12-ounce cups that you simply take water, hot or cold, and add in. We can leave the water up to 7 days, and it will not leak. Check online for further details about the product. If you're having guests over, and you need to have cups, or simply grab a cup and pour in your coffee for your daily morning, afternoon, evening use. You have coffee cups, cold drink cups, hot drink cups. They're safe for microwavable, that you could put the cup in and microwave. 100 disposable cups for your party, kitchen needs, by the sink, bathroom, office, anywhere where you need to have 12-ounce cups. Hot drinks, cold drinks, reusable they are not. They are 100% leak-proof for up to 7 days. I hope you enjoy your daily life. When finished using your cups, they are disposable and recyclable for paper. The Daily Life 12-ounce cups, 100-pack. Check again online for further details about your cups. Thank you for viewing.